Boswell files motion for new trial after being found guilty. Megan Boswell was found guilty on all 19 of her charges, which included 3 counts of first-degree murder, and sentenced to life in prison by a jury Thursday. However, her attorney filed a motion for a new trial on the same afternoon. Jury hands Megan Boswell life sentence after guilty verdict. According to a motion filed at 2:41 p.m. on Thursday, Boswell's attorney Jean Scott has asked the court to dismiss the charges against her or grant her a new trial. There was insufficient evidence in the record to support the defendant's convictions for first-degree murder, 2 counts of felony murder, aggravated child abuse, aggravated child neglect, tampering with evidence, 11 counts of false reports, abuse of corpse, and failure to report a death under suspicious, unusual or unnatural circumstances, the motion reads. In addition to the claim of insufficient evidence, Scott claimed the multiple false report counts violate the protections against double jeopardy in the U.S. and Tennessee constitutions. Boswell was found guilty on all 19 of her charges in the death of her baby daughter Evelyn Boswell after a week-long trial that brought more than 30 witnesses to the stand. After finding her guilty on the 3 first-degree murder charges, all of which demand a former life sentence, the jury was tasked with deciding whether that sentence should include the possibility of parole. Boswell's defense called 3 witnesses in a brief sentencing trial to illustrate the difficulties she faced growing up. The jury ultimately sentenced her to life in prison with the possibility of parole. Boswell must serve 51 years before she is eligible for parole, and a sentencing hearing has been set for May 22. During that hearing, Judge Jim Goodwin could rule that the sentence on Boswell's other 16 charges be served consecutively or concurrently with her murder sentence.